wander the streets and torment some people, like always.
CTV Breakfast Television is here.
I'm Cyril Lunny with Breakfast Television here in Halifax, and today I'm going to be one of the girls.
I heard he may even get a bra. But we want to make you an honorary member of our Sennheiser sound course.
You mean I too can be one of the girls?
Absolutely.
Hey, you guys want to try some Sennheiser headphones?
Yeah. Like you turn your shoes and you're like, do you guys want to try some Sennheiser headphones?
Do you guys want to try some Sennheiser headphones? You want to give it a try? Sure. All right, yay! What do you think? Yeah, they're good.
I liked your technique of sort of like tantalizing everybody with your dance moves.
I'm not coordinated. I'm not coordinated enough for this.
Nova Scotia!
In Halifax, Nova Scotia, and I'm here with Maestro. Do you have a couple of dance moves for us?
Dance moves? I'm more of the artist, so I like to make people dance, you know what I'm saying?
Fair enough.
Tonight you will see what's really good.
Awesome. Well, that's it for us here at Bubbles Mansion here in Halifax. We just wanted to say peace.
Riverfest!
Go bug some people and ask them a couple questions. This guy's kind of passed out on the mattress. You look like you need a pair of Sennheiser headphones to relax and chill out on this mattress.
I certainly do.
What do you think about the bathroom situation here?
The porta potties are too damn hot. 55 degrees Celsius is just too much to be going in and taking a dump. You might as well just go hang your butt over the fence and let her go.
While wearing Sennheiser headphones, right?
Yes.
Can you do like a little jig, like dance on the mattress while you're laying down?
I'm jigging. And it's hard to jig on a mattress by yourself.
One of the coolest things about this festival, every year they set up this giant water slide right here, and the Sennheiser girls are going to attack it full force.
Here I am at Citadel Hill, and we had a fun time here in Halifax, and I just want to say aloha from Halifax.